a GATE 2019 question, a 2-mark question. If you remember, before this we have seen a 1-mark question. So in GATE 2019, based on recursion topic, there are 2 questions, one 1 mark and one 2 mark. Okay, there we have just find out the output of a program, that the value of counter. Now here, consider the following program written pseudocode. Assume that x and y are integers. Okay, the number of times that the print statement is executed by the call count 1024, 1024. Okay, now if you are remember, we have seen there are 3 type of question that can be asked. First, direct output. Second, total number of function call, and third, number of time the print statement is getting executed. Our first function call is for count 1024, 1024. Okay, this is the first call. And we are going to concentrate only on print statement. Okay, so these 2 statements are important. First, print the star, and second, call the count function for 512, 1024. Here only x value is getting changed, y value is as it is. Okay, then again print, okay, and call the function for 256, 1024. Now I am just concentrating on x because I know y is constant. Okay, next value will be 128, then 64, after that 32, 16, 8, 4, 2 and 1. Okay, now for this, one print, third print, fourth print, fifth, sixth print, seventh print statement, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, now see, for 1 there will be no print statement, because what is the termination condition? X is not equals to 1. When x become 1, the print statement will not get executed. So exactly how many times the print statement is executing? 10 number of times. After this, what happen? Else part will get executed. And what else part is doing? It is decrementing this value to 1023. And this value again 1024. So what happened? Again 10 times the print statement will get executed for 1023. Same thing will happen for 1022 and so on. Now how many times this y value is going to change? When y is not equals to 1. So it is going to happen for 1023 times and not 1024. Now here there is a logic based on the termination condition. Because y is not equals to 1, it will not be 1024, it will be 1023. So total number of time the print statement is getting executed is 10230. It is a NAT type of question, so you have to just fill the value 10230. Based on the termination condition, you have to decide. Okay, for this you don't need to draw the complete tree. Okay, if you draw the tree for this big tree, okay, so here you have to apply some logic. You have to apply the logic based on the termination condition. If for one value it is iterating 10 times, so for 1023 it will iterate 1023 into 0 time. And why it is iterating 1023 times? Because the termination condition is y is not equals to 1.